Hello, welcome to the big Wales Garden Bioblitz. Right, so what to do today? Well, lots of opportunities to record on various systems. We've got the LERC Wales app, so you can submit your records to us via that, or you can go onto the Cofnod ORS and submit your records online there. Make sure you add photographs if you take them. Always useful for Vice County recorders to check your records. All records submitted today will count towards the Bioblitz, irrespective of whether they're in the garden or not. So it could be at a local nature reserve, out on the beach, or just taking your dog for a walk. So please submit any sightings you make today. There's lots of resources online. We have a YouTube channel playlist set up with lots of tips on species to look out for and record. There's also extended videos on there, and don't forget the Wales Nature quiz as well. So good luck and see what you can find.